Congratulations on buying a home. We know the amount of work that goes into purchasing one isn't easy and that there are a lot of surprises along the way.
So in this video, we're going to make sure you're protected from any surprises in the future by going over homeowners insurance.
Hi, I'm John Galvin.
And I'm Shelley Moscatelli. We're both personal lines client success managers at Berry Insurance.
We help thousands of customers find the right protection for their home at the right price. In this video, we will be answering the top 9 questions people have about insuring their home.
Do I really need homeowners insurance?
Homeowners insurance is legally required if your home is financed. Most people will finance their home. However, even if your home is paid off, you will more than likely still want coverage. Your home is most likely the biggest financial investment you're making. It's important to protect it. Not only that, it's where you'll be spending the most time with your family. If your home isn't adequately insured, you're at risk for a huge financial setback, the loss of your home, and potentially all your possessions. Why do I need homeowners insurance?
You can't always control what happens on your property, so your insurance will make sure you're covered against the unexpected. Besides the fact that many folks are legally obligated to have it, homeowners insurance protects you from a lot. If any sort of disaster happens, your home, your possessions, patios, sheds, and more are covered from damage or theft. So high-valued items such as engagement rings, art, camera equipment can be individually scheduled under your policy. In addition to protecting your home and possessions, your insurance also provides important liability coverage. For example, if someone slips and falls on your property, your insurance will cover a trip to the emergency room. Your insurance plan will also cover injuries to others and even claims of libel, slander, or defamation, and all legal fees involved. If you ever lose use of your home, your insurance will cover your expenses until you are able to use your home again.
What's covered by homeowners insurance? What isn't covered?
Here's what is covered by homeowners insurance: storm damage, theft, fire damage, sudden or accidental discharge, which generally covers any water damage that occurs due to pipe burst, water heater rupture, and more. So damages from a water heater rupture will be covered, but the cost of replacing the heater may not be. Overflow, sewer backup or water backup, service line coverage, which will reimburse you for any damages to utility lines such as water pipes, sewer pipes, and electrical lines. Equipment breakdown coverage. Here's what isn't covered: flood, earthquakes, high-risk dog breeds such as Akitas, Alaskan Malamutes, Chows, Doberman Pinschers, German Shepherds, Great Danes, Pit Bulls and Staffordshire Terriers, Presa Canarios, Rottweilers, Siberian Huskies, Wolf Hybrids. Not all insurance carriers exclude all dog breeds, so be sure to double-check your policy with your agent. Wear and tear damage from lack of maintenance, including rust, rot, and mold. Damage caused by insects, rodents, and birds. Intentional bodily injury or property damage. How much homeowners coverage do I need?
As with many things when it comes to insurance, it depends. A few factors that determine your insurance are your home value, location, size, construction, materials, and possessions. Each section of a home insurance policy will have limits customized to you. You will need to consult with an insurance agent to make sure you are adequately covered in every area.
How much does home insurance cost?
This is a difficult question to give you a straightforward answer on. The short answer is that it varies drastically depending on your property. A few factors that determine your home insurance cost include your home location, size, construction, materials, and possessions. We've seen policies range anywhere from $700 to $5,000 per year or more, so you really need to speak to an agent if you want a better idea of what insuring your home should cost.
How can I save on my homeowner's insurance?
One of the biggest ways to save is by bundling your home and auto insurance. We've been able to save folks anywhere from a few $100s to even $2,000 or $3,000 a year by bundling home and auto insurance together. Some insurance carriers even offer discounts such as mature owner discounts, non-smoking home discounts, newer home discounts, loss-free if you haven't had any prior claims, and discounts for home alarms and security systems. Be sure to contact your insurance agent to see if there's any additional discounts you could be benefiting from.
What happens if I need to file a claim for my home?
The first thing to do is to make sure you and your family are safe. The second is to gather all the information about what happened, when it happened, what was damaged, who was involved, and photos of the damage if possible. You can then report all of this to your insurance agent. Your agent will then file all the information with your insurance company, who will then assign you an adjuster. The adjuster typically reaches out within 24 hours and will go over next steps with you as far as your claim. How will I pay for my home insurance?
There are a variety of ways that you can pay for your insurance. One of these is escrow, which is bundling your mortgage and your homeowner's insurance into one bill. Your mortgage company will then pay your insurance. If you escrow, this is what your payment schedule will look like. Your first payment will be a year's worth of premium with closing costs. After that, you will pay your mortgage company a monthly amount towards the next year's premium. At the end of the year, a new insurance policy is established. You may need to pay more money if you underpaid the premium cost or get a check if you overpaid. Many lenders require you to pay this way just to confirm you have homeowners insurance. Other ways to pay include direct payment to the insurance company. You can do this online, over the phone, through mail, and more. You should check with your mortgage company or attorney to figure out how you will be covering your home insurance. How often should I review my homeowner's insurance?
We recommend you review your coverages every year. If you decide to get a pet, a pool, expensive jewelry, or make any additional changes to your home and family, you'll need to let your insurance agent know. These changes may impact your policy. If you don't update your coverage, any damages or loss of possessions that might result at your home may not be adequately covered. Thank you for watching this video about homeowners insurance.
Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be in the know for more videos in the future.
If you still have questions, click one of the links below to learn more about home insurance.
You can also email us at one of the links below or check out our website. Your home is your biggest financial investment, but it's also where you'll be starting your family, watch your kids grow up, and where you'll be creating a life.
Protecting it is really important so you can worry less and spend more time enjoying your new home with your family.
We hope that you're ready to leave the stress of buying your home behind and start enjoying it. Congratulations again.